I'm a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a diva. I'm a. What up, you guys? So I wanted to come on here really quick and just show you how I cut my son's hair at home during quarantine, when I just want to just keep him spruced up and a little jazzy for Zoom classes. Of course, when we go outside or we have something real to do, I take him to the professional. But we don't have anything to do until, well, we don't have anything to do. Even his sister's birthday party is in the house, so it's not his birthday. I can cut his hair. But yeah, so I ordered me a new pair of clippers. My old one got kind of crusty and dusty and old. I had them since I was in beauty school. So yeah, I actually got me a little fancy junk. I have no idea. Lemurals. I had no idea any clippers besides Andy's, so I don't know if this is better or worse or whatever, but let's run through it really quickly. So we got a comb right here. We got a little apron situation. We have warranty. I'm assuming this is some clipper oil. We have the charger. We have some guards for the T-liner, I believe. And then some guards for the clipper. Then here is the T-liner. Ooh, this is pretty nice. This is really light. Ooh, this is cute. Does it come with a bit of charge? Okay, we got a little bit of charge here. These are a little bit more heavier, but still pretty light compared to some of my older clippers. And I love when the clippers has this little lever here where you can like lower and raise the blade. This isn't really moving. What's happening? Okay, I may have to look at the instructions on this one, but yeah, it's not moving. I just think that really helps with like as far as like fades and stuff like that. But yeah, I gotta, ooh, yeah. Oh, and this one has an LED light. We're at 100%. We are ready to go. So I keep my son's hair pretty low. So we are going to have him at a 1. And I really do want to know how I raise these clippers. Oh, there it goes. Oh, okay. It's just a little stiff. Okay. So I am going to, what? Lower? Is that lowering or raising the blade? I'm going to drop the blade so that I am getting like a 1.5 closer to a 2 kind of cut rather than closer to a 1. So let's get the boy.
The super expression word is super one. Yes. We are doing to him.
Cut his hair.
Yeah.
Make him so handsome. His brother doesn't like when his hair is not cut.
Here you go, mommy. I want to stop getting hurt.
You don't want haircuts?
I do, but I mean, like when we cone, I don't like getting hurt.
Oh. That's why, when do I tell you need to comb your hair?
Every day.
And do you comb your hair every day?
No.
Exactly. So bend your head. I don't want to hear nothing, Peasy. Here, I'm going to watch you so you can see yourself cry like a little girl.
Ow, that hurts. Ow!
Bend your head. I don't want to hear nothing about it hurt. You know what hurt? Telling you the same thing every day. Then nobody got to comb your peas out if you don't let them turn the peas.
Oh, my hair tickles. No, it don't.
Boy, this is a blade, okay? It's sharp. You don't jump around and move when somebody has a blade to your head. You understand me?
That's Peasy hair, Mom.
Yeah, you see it? You see it roll off? Whoa! Watch this, watch this. Whoa! Go let hear this boy got on his head.
That's the Peasy.
Look, all the peasy. Look, another one.
Whoa! It's like a
Whoa!
That's a lot. Yeah.
You think I should make it shorter?
A little bit. A little bit more shorter.
wash your hair?
Today.
Yeah. Come back, let me brush it for you. Good job.
Can you put mine on there? Oh my gosh, it stings, it stings. It stings my neck. Oh my gosh. Ah! Can you put it on me too?
How you feel about your haircut?
Yeah.
Let me see. Ooh. Ooh. Wait. Ooh, that boy clean. Let me see that neck. Ooh, look at that. That boy clean. Ooh, look at that handsome son. Gee, cute.
Oh my god.
Now go bathe, dirty. Go wash your hair.
Okay.
Let me clean up this room.
Oh. Pink. Mine is good.
Yeah, yours is good. Let me see. Come on, let me see you. Let me see.
What are you doing there?
Woo! Look at that hair. Look at, let me see the back. Oh, you put that in yourself? You put your barrettes in? Girl. Girl.
Mommy,
Say that's it.
That's it.
For Jaden's haircut.
Mommy, can you put spray in there, please?
You want to spray?
I'm
going to bed.
See ya later. Peace out, Jaden. I said peace out.
Ooh, look at that spray. You never see mommy put the spray in there.
I see. Get it. Put more.
No more. Mommy gotta clean up now. Watch out. Yeah, I'm gonna leave. Let me just throw my train of thought all. I'm gonna leave the link in the comments below for these clippers. They are really good. Really lightweight. They are wireless. They come charged. Let's see. This is at 97% charge left after cutting his hair for what? About 20 minutes?
Clean my hair?
Yes.
Okay.
So that is it for Lookmas Day. I don't even know what is this, day 3?
Yes.
So that is it for today's video, and we will catch you guys in the next one.
Bye.
Till tomorrow. Peace.